Welcome to my channel Travel Guide, how to travel like a pro in flight. Traveling by air can be a smooth and enjoyable experience if you know the right tips and tricks. Whether you're a frequent flyer or planning your first trip, mastering some in-flight strategies will help you travel like a seasoned pro. Here's a comprehensive guide with 10 key points to elevate your flying experience. Pack smart. Streamline your packing process to avoid overpacking. Invest in packing cubes to organize your belongings and use a carry-on that meets airline size restrictions to avoid checked baggage fees and the risk of lost luggage. Pack versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched to minimize bulk. And always keep essentials like a change of clothes and toiletries in your carry-on. Choose the right seat. Picking the right seat can significantly affect your comfort. If you prefer extra legroom or want to avoid the middle seat, consider booking early or paying for seat selection. For long flights, aisle seats offer easier access to the bathroom, while window seats provide more privacy and the chance to rest your head against the wall for sleep. Check in early. Online check-in allows you to secure your preferred seat, avoid airport lines, and sometimes even receive flight updates or alerts. Most airlines open online check-in 24-48 hours before departure, giving you the chance to adjust seating and baggage if necessary. Dress comfortably. Dressing in layers is key for air travel because cabin temperatures can vary. Choose breathable fabrics like cotton or moisture-wicking materials to stay comfortable during the flight. Compression socks are also a good idea for long-haul flights to reduce the risk of swelling and improve circulation. Stay hydrated. The dry cabin air can quickly dehydrate you, leaving you fatigued and with dry skin or headaches. Drink plenty of water before and during the flight. Consider bringing your own refillable water bottle and ask the flight attendants to fill it for you once you're on board. Bring noise-canceling headphones. Planes are noisy, and crying babies or chatty passengers can make it hard to relax. Noise-canceling headphones are a lifesaver, helping you enjoy music, podcasts, or movies in peace. They also allow you to sleep better if you want to rest during the flight. Optimize your in-flight entertainment. Most airlines offer entertainment systems with movies, music, and games, but you can also download your own content in advance. Download your favorite shows, books, or podcasts on your devices before the flight to avoid relying on in-flight Wi-Fi, which can be slow or unavailable. Bring healthy snacks. Airplane food isn't always the healthiest or most satisfying, especially on short flights. Bringing your own snacks, such as fruit, nuts, or protein bars, can keep you energized without relying on what's offered on board. This is particularly helpful if you're on a special diet or if your flight is delayed. Practice in-flight exercises. Sitting for long periods can lead to discomfort and stiffness, especially on long flights. Simple in-seat exercises, like stretching your legs and rolling your shoulders, can help improve circulation and reduce the risk of deep vein thrombosis, DVT. Walking up and down the aisle when it's safe is another great way to stay limber. Stay organized with a travel app. Use a travel app to keep all your trip details in one place, including your boarding pass, flight updates, hotel reservations, and transportation information. Apps like TripIt, Google Trips, or the airline's official app can help you stay organized and informed about gate changes, delays, or cancellations, reducing travel stress. By following these 10 tips, you can maximize your comfort and efficiency during your next flight. From packing light and dressing smart to staying hydrated and entertained, these expert travel hacks will help you feel like a pro in the sky. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.